Noise-free motor made by Okin with industry-leading manufacturing process. With 3 individual Okin motors for head tilt, back incline and foot incline, adjustable bed frame base, unique individual head, pillow tilt offers you more positions to enjoy the lifestyle benefits including watching TV, reading, working, and more. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Luxury feathers. Electric bed base frame with dual massage and USB, 4x3 speed massages for queen and split king, 2x3 speed massages for twin XL. Dual USB ports at the head of the base on each side. Flat, zero gravity, lounge, TV, PC. Programmable positions with wireless remote and Bluetooth app for both Apple and Android devices. Number 2. Adjustable legs. Heavy-duty metal adjustable legs 4 inches 6 inches 10 inches to fit in most bed frames. Adjustable mattress friendly. Ideal for use with foam, latex mattresses. This adjustable bed frame supports a maximum weight of 900 pounds. Number 3. Simple assembly. No tools required for this electric bed base when assembled. Just screw on the legs and plug it in. We strongly recommend 2 able-bodied adults set up and assemble this product. Number 4. U.S. Professional Service Team. Our U.S. service team provides 1, 3 and 10-year limited warranty. Number 5. Blue backlight wireless remote. Independently control the head and foot incline. The wireless remote makes it easy to adjust the positions and control the head and foot massage functions of this massage bed. Each base comes with 1 remote. Enjoy one-touch flat and endless head and foot incline options. Full-featured ergonomic wireless backlit remote. Number 6. Stackable legs. The super heavy-duty metal legs are stackable. The combination gives you a set of 4 inches, 6 inches, or 10 inches legs for the perfect height. Number 7. Maximum weight testing. MAXXPRIME adjustable bed frame will be tested 20,000 times up and down at 1,500 pounds before we decide to release this item. While the manual says 750 pounds is just a conservative description. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.